Hi guys, if you like me and you wanted to go to the old YouTube studio, unfortunately there is no way of doing it anymore. If you went into your YouTube studio after you log in and you go down on your left hand side right at the bottom used to be a little guy running out and you've got to go to your old studio. Well, unfortunately that feature is gone. Now to do it, you go to your playlist, click on it, you'll see the window open. You've got all your playlists here. Just go all the way to your icon where you log in usually. Click on that. You'll see right underneath your name and subscribers there is Creator Studio. Click on that. And there you are. You're back in the old YouTube Creator Studio. And then you've got all your features on this side. If you do like this video, comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I will make some extra videos later. If you want to rotate your video, if you uploaded the video and it's not on the way you want it to be uploaded, I'm going to show you how to put that feature back that's also been taken out from the new studio. But for me, thanks for watching. Till next time.